How can geologists organize past geological events? By using relative age dating. Relative age dating allows scientists to determine the sequence of past geological events by comparing the order of rock layers. There are five principles of relative age dating: superposition, original horizontality, lateral continuity, inclusions, and cross cutting relationships. Let's take a look at each principle. Imagine sediment deposits becoming thicker over time. Younger sediment layers bury older sediment layers. Over time, more and more horizontal layers form on top of each other and turn into rock. According to the principle of superposition, the rocks that were deposited first are the oldest. Notice how sediment is usually deposited in flat, level layers. This is due to the force of gravity. Over time, layers of rock may fold or tilt. Even though the rock layers are disturbed, you can still assume the layers were originally deposited horizontally. The principle of lateral continuity states that the sediments are deposited in large continuous sheets in all lateral directions. So, let's say that a river carved out a canyon over time. Even though these rock layers have been eroded by the water, the order of the layers does not change. Occasionally, rock layers are intruded by magma. When this happens, bits of rock may break off and join the magma. When the magma hardens into rock, the broken pieces become part of it. These pieces, called inclusions, are older than the rock they are in. Sometimes rock formations may break or fracture. When rocks move along a fracture line, the fracture is called a fault. The principle of cross-cutting relationships states that when one geological feature cuts across another, the feature that it cuts across is older. So the fault is younger than the intrusion, which is younger than the other rock layers. Geologists use these principles of relative age dating to organize past geological events. By analyzing the positions of rock layers, they can determine the relative ages of the rocks.